Good morning students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Myself Sagita Jain, representing Shivjyoti Educational Group, Kota. Today we will start chapter 3, factors and multiples of class 5 mathematics. Now in this chapter we will discuss multiples, properties of multiples, test of divisibility, factors, prime and composite numbers and prime factorization. First, we will discuss about multiples. Now, what is multiples or how we find multiples? Multiples of a number is equals to the number is multiplied by any counting number. It means when you have any number or counting number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. जब आप given number को उन counting number से multiply करते हो, you get multiples of a number. Now, we have some properties of multiples. Every number is a multiple of itself. Means जो number है वो अपना multiple खुद होता है. Now a number has unlimited multiples. जैसे आप बहुत सारे multiples means tables में आप 10 10 सा 10 11 सा 10 12 सा आप जितना चाहें extend कर सकते हैं. So we say a number has unlimited multiples. Now 0 is a multiple of every number. जैसे आप क्या करते हो, 0 को मल्टीप्लाई करते हो, 0 1 ज़ा 0, 0 2 ज़ा 0, 0 3 ज़ा 0, तो 0 इज मल्टीपल ऑफ एवरी नंबर. नाउ एवरी नंबर इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 1. 1 के सभी नंबर मल्टीपल्स होते हैं. यू राइट टेबल ऑफ 1, 1 1 ज़ा 1, 1 2 ज़ा 2, 1 3 ज़ा 3, तो क्या हो गया, 1 इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ एवरी नंबर. Now the multiples of a number are either greater than or equal to the number. जो multiples होंगे वो या तो उस नंबर से ग्रेटर होंगे या उस नंबर के इक्वल होंगे. Whenever you write table तो आप क्या करते हो, जैसे 3 की टेबल आपको लिखनी है तो 3 फिर 6 9, तो आपका नंबर क्या हो रहा है, इंक्रीज हो रहा है. तो स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर इज नंबर इटसेल्फ मीन्स 3 और अदर मल्टीपल्स आर ग्रेटर दैन दैट नंबर. So, the multiples of a number are either greater than or equal to the number. Now, next property is the smallest multiple of a number is the number itself. जैसे अभी मैंने आपको बताया था कि 3 की टेबल आपने लिखा है, तो smallest number is 3 itself. After that, you find increasing numbers. So, smallest multiple is number itself. Now, every multiple of a number is exactly divisible by that number. मीन्स व्हेन यू राइट मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 4 सपोज, तो आपने क्या किया 4 8 12 16 इस तरह से लिखेंगे. तो जो आपके 4 8 12 16 एंड सो ऑन और जो नंबर्स हैं ऑल आर डिविजिबल बाय 4. सो वी से एवरी मल्टीपल ऑफ अ नंबर इज एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल बाय दैट नंबर. यस, नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट मल्टीपल्स. वी टेक एग्जाम्पल हियर. वी राइट मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 8. 8 1 ज़ा 8, 8 2 ज़ा 16, 8 3 ज़ा 24, 8 4 ज़ा 32 and so on. Now we have multiples of 8 8, 16, 24, 32 and so on. Now what is the smallest multiple? Number itself. And what is the greatest multiple? Greatest multiple कोई है ही नहीं, आप जितना चाहो इसको एक्सटेंड कर सकते हो. So multiples are unlimited. Now what? Every multiple of number is divisible by number itself. उसी नंबर से क्या हो जाएगा, वो डिवाइड हो जाएगा. You got it this? Now every number is a multiple of 1. Means 1 1 ज़ा 1, 1 2 ज़ा 2, 1 3 ज़ा 3 and so on. It means every number is a multiple of 1. 1 का multiple कोई सा भी जो भी नंबर आप लेंगे वो होगा. Now the multiples of a number are greater than or equal to that number. अभी हमने डिस्कस किया था कि मल्टीपल्स हमेशा या तो ग्रेटर होंगे या उस नंबर की इक्वल होंगे. You got it this? Now next topic is test of divisibility. First, we will start divisibility test of 2. Now, in this, last digit must be either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. If any number have as a ones place 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then we say the number is divisible by 2. It means we also, if number is even, then we say the number is divisible by 2. We take example here 14. In this ones place have 4, so it is divisible by 2. Now, in the next example we have 360. We observe ones place, it is 0, so we say this number is divisible by 2. In the next divisibility test we have 3. Sum of the digits must be divisible by 3. It means when we have any number and first we find the sum of the digits of the given number. If the sum is divisible by 3, then we say the whole number is divisible by 3 also. We take example here 396. तो आप क्या करोगे, इसका पहले इन डिजिट्स का सम फाइंड करोगे. आपके पास में क्या है यहाँ पर 18. 18 इज डिविजिबल बाय 3, so 396 is also divisible by 3. Now, in the divisibility test of 4, number formed by the last two digits must be divisible by 4. It means if any number have last two digits, that is divisible by 2. किसी भी नंबर की लास्ट टू डिजिट्स मीन्स टेंस और वंस प्लेस 4 से डिवाइड होती है, तो आपका जो नंबर है वो भी 4 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा. वी हैव हियर 308. नाउ टेंस एंड वंस प्लेस हैज 8, तो यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा, 8 इज डिविजिबल बाय 4, सो 308 इज ऑल्सो डिविजिबल बाय 4. नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल वी हैव 1316. We observe last two digits means tens and ones place. It has 16. Now 16 is divisible by 4. So 1316 is also divisible by 4. Now divisibility test of 5. It's a very simple. Last digit must be either 0 or 5. It means if any number have at ones place 0 and 5, then we say the number is divisible by 5. We take example here. We have 50 here. 50 में आपने कौन सी प्लेस को ऑब्जर्व करना है, वंस प्लेस को. So it is divisible by 5. In the next example we have 4555. Now in the at the ones place we have 5. It means this number is also divisible by 5. Now divisibility test of 6. In this number must be divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. कोई भी नंबर यदि 2 से भी डिवाइड होता है और 3 से भी डिवाइड होता है, तो वो नंबर आपका 6 से डिवाइड होगा. यदि कोई नंबर 2 से तो डिवाइड हो रहा है लेकिन 3 से डिवाइड नहीं हो रहा है, और यदि 3 से डिवाइड हो रहा है और 2 से डिवाइड नहीं हो रहा है, तो वो नंबर आपका 6 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा. So what is the condition? The number must be divisible by 2 and 3 both. Now we have here 1032. Now by observing we have 2 at ones place. It means this number is divisible by 2. Now we check divisibility test of 3. First we add the digits of this number. 1 plus 0 plus 3 plus 2. It is equals to 6. And 6 is divisible by 3, so 1032 is also divisible by 3. Now this number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, so this number is also divisible by 6. Now divisibility test of 8. In this, number formed by the last 3 digits must be divisible by 8. It means if any number have last 3 digits which is divisible by 8, then we say the complete number is divisible by 8. We have here 816. It is divisible by 8. 8 ones are 8, 0, then 6, we have 16. Now 8 twos are 16. So 102. It is completely divisible by 8. So we say this number is divisible by 8. Now in the next example, we have 5720. Now we observe last 3 digits, means 100, tens and ones place. If it is divisible by 8, we check 72, means 8 nines are 72 and 8 zeros are 0. So this number is completely divisible by 8. So we say 5720 is also completely divisible by 8. Now divisibility test of 9. It is same as divisibility test of 3. In this we also find the sum of the digits. If the sum is divisible by 9, then we say the given number is also divisible by 9. Now we have 873 here. So first we add the digits, 8 plus 7 plus 3, it is equals to 18, and 18 is divisible by 9. So we say 873 is also divisible by 9. Now divisibility test of 10. It's a very simple, by observing if ones place has 0, then we say the number is divisible by 10. So we have 20 here. Now by observing we say this number is divisible by 10 because ones place has 0. Now in this 150, 0 at ones place, so we say this number is also divisible by 10. Now in the divisibility test of 11, what we will do? We find the sum of the even places digits and odd places digits. After that we find the difference of the sum of the even places digits and odd places digits. In this example, from the right side we mark 1, 2, 3, 4. After that we find the sum of the odd places, means 0 plus 9 is equals to 9, and even places digits are 4 and 5. So 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. Now we find the difference of these two sums, 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. If difference is 0 or 11, then we say the given number is divisible by 11. Now we discuss about factors. A factor is a smaller number that divides exactly any larger number and gives the remainder as 0. You know factor means क्या होता है? तोड़ना किसी भी चीज़ को, फैक्टराइज करते हैं हम. तो यहाँ पर फैक्टर करना मीन्स किसी भी नंबर, लार्जर नंबर को हम स्मॉलर नंबर्स में क्या कर रहे हैं? ब्रेक डाउन कर रहे हैं. यू गॉट इट दिस? नाउ वी हैव 86 हियर. अब आपने क्या किया है? 86 को 2 से डिवाइड किया, वी गेट रिमाइंडर एज 0. यू गॉट इट दिस? अब आपके पास में रिमाइंडर 0 आया है, इट मीन्स जो आपका डिवाइजर है दैट इज फैक्टर ऑफ 86, एंड जो आपका क्वोशंट आएगा दैट इज 43. तो 43 इज ऑल्सो अ फैक्टर ऑफ 86. इट मीन्स इफ वी फैक्टराइज एनी नंबर, रिमाइंडर शुड बी 0. दैट टाइम वी से द गिवन the divisor and the quotients are the factors of the dividend. Now we take one example. Write all the factors of 36. आपको 36 के factors find करने हैं. So to find the factors of 36, we need to find out two numbers whose product is 36. आपको क्या करना है इसके लिए कि two numbers ऐसे find करने हैं जिनको मल्टीप्लाई करने पर प्रोडक्ट आपका क्या आए? 36 आए. यू गॉट इट? वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1. नाउ व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई 1 बाय 36 वी गेट 36. व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई 2 बाय 18 वी गेट 36 ऑल्सो. नाउ 3 12s are 36, 4 9s are 36 एंड 6 6s are 36. जैसे ही आपका नंबर रिपीट होने लगता है यू स्टॉप दिस प्रोसेसिंग, क्योंकि आपके बाद में जब और किसी टेबल में, इन टेबल्स के अलावा और किसी भी टेबल में 36 नहीं आएगा. सो व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 36? 1 2 3 4 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. All are the factors of 36. Now we will discuss about properties of factors. Now the smallest factor of every number is 1. किसी भी नंबर का जो स्मॉलेस्ट फैक्टर होगा वो क्या होगा? 1 होगा. Now every number is a factor of itself and it is the greatest factor of that number. अभी आपने देखा था लास्ट एग्जाम्पल में 36 is the last factor and that is the greatest factor of that number, and 1 is the smallest factor in that example. So greatest factor is number itself and smallest factor is 1 always. A number can have only a limited number of factors. आपने देखा 36 लिमिटेड टेबल्स में ही आ रहा था, ऐसा तो नहीं कि किसी भी टेबल में 36 आ जाएगा. So factors are always limited. Factors of a number are always smaller than or equal to the number. अभी आपने लास्ट एग्जाम्पल में देखा था कि उसमें 36 इज द ग्रेटेस्ट फैक्टर और जितने भी फैक्टर्स थे वो सारे उससे स्मॉलर थे. सो ऑलवेज फैक्टर्स ऑफ अ नंबर आर स्मॉलर देन और इक्वल टू दैट नंबर. नाउ राइट ऑल द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 24. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1. वी फाइंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 24. 1 is multiplied by 24 is equals to 24. We will start always from 1. Now 2 is multiplied by 12. 2 12s are 24. Now 3 8s are 24. Now 4 6s are 24. Now 5 की टेबल में 24 नहीं आता है, फिर 6 की टेबल में आएगा. It means we रिपीट दीज नंबर्स अगेन. मीन्स अब 6 की टेबल में 24 आएगा, फिर 8 में आएगा, 12 में आएगा और 24 में आएगा. इसके अलावा 24 और किसी भी टेबल में नहीं आएगा. सो व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 24? 1 2 4 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 and 24 are factors of 24. Now you observe in this example the smallest factor is 1 and the greatest factor is number itself. आपने 24 की factors find किए हैं and 24 is the greatest factor. Now factors are limited. We have only 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 factors. So factors are limited and 1 is always factor of every number. You got it this? कि आपका 1 हमेशा smallest factor होगा किसी भी नंबर का और greatest factor number itself होगा. You got it this? Now we will discuss next topic. Now we will discuss about prime and composite numbers. Numbers are of two types, prime and composite. What is prime numbers? Prime numbers has only two factors, 1 and number itself, and it cannot be divided exactly by any other number by itself. It means जो प्राइम नंबर्स हैं वो सिर्फ उसी नंबर से डिवाइड होंगे या 1 से होंगे, अदर नंबर से वो डिवाइड नहीं होंगे. 2 3 5 7 11 13 and so on, these are prime numbers. These numbers have only two factors and 1 and number itself. So these are prime numbers. Now composite numbers, it has more than two factors. जिन numbers के भी 2 से ज़्यादा factors होंगे, that is composite numbers. Now it can be divided exactly by its factors. कंपोजिट नंबर्स के जो हम फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करेंगे तो उन फैक्टर से ही वो नंबर डिवाइड होगा. Now 4 6 8 9 10 these and so on, these numbers have more than two factors. So these are composite numbers. Now prime and composite numbers, write the prime numbers between 1 and 50. Now except 2, all other even numbers are composite numbers. So write 2 and all odd numbers between 1 and 50. then cross out all those numbers which have more than 2 factors. The remaining numbers are prime numbers. Now you know about it कि 2 is only even prime number. Other than 2, all even numbers are composite numbers. So we will write here 2. 2 is even prime number, and remaining odd numbers we write here. We find out in these numbers prime numbers. Now 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43 and 47. These number has only 2 factors, so these are prime numbers. And 9, 15, 21, 25, 27, 33, 35, 39, 45 and 49 has more than 2 factors. So these are composite numbers. We cross out composite numbers. After that remaining numbers are prime numbers. Students, you know about it is 0 and 1 are neither prime nor composite number. Means 1 और 0 आपका प्राइम नंबर भी नहीं है और कंपोजिट नंबर भी नहीं है. रीज़न बीइंग कि बोथ हैव नो फैक्टर्स रादर देन, मीन्स 1 के अलावा और इनका कोई 1 फैक्टर ही होता है और कोई फैक्टर ही नहीं होता है. सो इट इज़ नॉट प्राइम नंबर नॉर नीदर कंपोजिट नंबर. नाउ प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. हाउ वी फाइंड आउट prime factorization? Factorization means break down the numbers. So first we find factorization, factors of that number. जैसे नेम से ही आपको पता चल रहा है कि we use prime here, so we use only prime numbers to factorize the number. Now prime factorization is writing a composite number as a product of factors that are prime numbers. Means जब आप prime factorization करोगे तो you use only prime numbers to factorize the numbers. We have 2 methods to find out the prime factorization. Now factor tree method and division method. Now first we consider prime factorization method. In prime factorization we use first factor tree method. Now we take example, write 36 as a product of its prime factors using the factor tree method. अब आप यहाँ क्या करोगे, 36 के जो prime factors करोगे तो you use only prime numbers to factorize that. 2 18s, आपने 2 से start किया, यहाँ पर we use divisibility test, we have 6 at ones place. So easily we observe this number is divisible by 2 and 2 is a prime number. So 2 18s are 36. Now 18 is still composite number. So again we factorize this number. Again we have 8 at ones place. It is divisible by 2 and 2 is also a prime number. So 2 9s are 18. Now again we factorize this 9. This is prime number but still this is composite number. So we factorize 9. Now 3 3s are 9. Now see this 2, 2, 3 and 3 all are prime numbers. So what is the factors of 36? 2, 2, 3 and 3. When we find product of these numbers we get 36. So these are the factors of prime factors of 36. Now in the second example write 120 as a product of its prime factors using the division method. आपको डिविजन मेथड से प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन फाइंड करना है. नाउ इन दिस वी यूज डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट टू फाइंड आउट द फैक्टर्स एंड वी यूज शॉर्टकट डिविजन मेथड एंड वी यूज ओनली प्राइम नंबर्स टू फैक्टराइज द नंबर्स. मीन्स आप डिवाइड करने के लिए केवल प्राइम नंबर्स को ही यूज करोगे. नाउ वी ऑब्जर्व 120 at ones place we have 0, so it is divisible by 2. Now 2 6s are 12 and 2 zeros are 0. Now again we observe this number, it is 60, ones place has 0, again it is divisible by 2, it is also divisible by 5, but we consider smallest prime number. You got it this? तो आप 2 और 5 में से स्मॉलर कौन सा है, 2 है, तो आप पहले इसको 2 से डिवाइड कर दोगे. Now 2 3s are 6 and 2 zeros are 0. Again we have 30 here. again this is divisible by 0 and 5, sorry 2 and 5, both are prime numbers, and it is also divisible by 10, but हम 10 को consider नहीं करेंगे because 10 is composite number. Now 2 ones are 2, 1 carry, it becomes 10, 2 5s are 10. Now we have here 15. Now 15 is divisible by 5 and 3 both, because 1 plus 5 is equal to 6, 6 is divisible by 3, तो ये नंबर 3 से भी डिवाइड हो जाएगा और वंस प्लेस पर 5 है तो ये 5 से भी डिवाइड हो जाएगा. We consider smaller number, so we divide this number by 3. Now 3 5s are 15. Now we have 5 here. Now 5 ones are 5. Now what is the factors of 120? Prime factors 2, 2, 2, 3 and 5. So we write these numbers as a product of the 2, 2, 2, 3 and 5. When we multiply these numbers, we find 120. Now we take one example to find prime factorization by factor tree method. We want to find out prime factors of 98. आपको 98 के prime factors निकालने हैं using factor tree method. Now we observe this number. At ones place we have 8. Now it is divisible by 2. So we write here 2. Now we divide 98 by 2. 2 4s are 8 and we have 1 here. We carried over 1 here. Now 1 we have 18 here. Now 2 9s are 18. Now we have 47 here. Now 47 is divided by 7 and 7 is also a prime number. So 7 7s are 49. Now 2, 7 and 7. All three numbers are prime numbers. So this is the factors, prime factors of 98. Now we write as a product form. 2 is multiplied by 7 is multiplied by 7. This is the factor, prime factors of 98. Now we take same example to understand prime factorization by division method. Now division method में you write like that. Now we observe this. It is 8. It is divisible by 2. Now 2 4s are 8 and 1 carried over. Now it becomes 18. Now 2 9s are 18. Now we have 47 here. Now 47 is divisible by 7 and 7 is also a prime number. So 7 7s are 49. Again we have 7 here. Now we divide this number by 7. 7 is also prime number. 7 ones are 7. Now what is the prime factors of 98? 2 is multiplied by 7 is multiplied by 7. So look, this is the factor tree method and this is the division method. आप किसी भी method से solve करो, factors remains the same always. You got it this? Now what is co-prime numbers? Two numbers are said to be co-prime if the only common factors between them is 1. Co-prime numbers means आपके पास में 2 numbers हैं, 2 और 3 numbers हैं, आप उनको पहले factorize करोगे. If common factors is 1, then we say the numbers are co-prime numbers. Now show that we take one example, show that 21 and 32 are co-prime numbers. So first we find prime factors of that number, means 21 के हम prime factors find करेंगे. यहाँ पर आपने factor tree method use किया है, तो 3 and 7 both are the factors of 21. So 21 is equals to 3 into 7. Now we find prime factors of 32. Now we split 4 and in 8. Now 4 and 8 both are composite numbers. Again we factorize, 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Now we have 4 here. Now again we factorize, 2 2s are 4 because still 4 is a composite number. Now what is the finally prime factors of 32? 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. Now 32, when we factorize 32 we find these prime factors. Now look, factors of 21 is 3 and 7 and factors of 32 is 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. In these two numbers we have only common factor 1. So these two numbers means 21 and 32 are co-prime numbers. We take one example. Now students, we solve this. Show that 16 and 21 are co-prime numbers. For this, first we find out prime factors of 16 and prime factors of 21. Now 16, first we write by factor tree method and by division method. किसी भी एक मेथड से हम क्या कर सकते हैं, इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Now 16 by observing this it is divisible by 2. So first we write here 2, 2 8s are 16. Now still we have 8 as a composite number. So we divide this number. Again it is divisible by 2. So we write 2 here, 2 4s are 8. Now still we have 4 as a composite number. So we divide this number, 2 2s are 4. You got it this? Now 2, 2, 2 and 2 all are prime numbers. So what is the prime factors of 16? 2 is multiplied by 2 is multiplied by 2 is multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16. Now we factorize 21 as a prime factor. Now it is divisible by 3. When we add these two numbers, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 and 3 is divisible by 3. So we divide by 3, 3 7s are 21. Now look, these two numbers are prime numbers, so it is not possible to factorize further. So this is the final prime factors of 21. 21 is equals to 3 is multiplied by 7 and 1 is always factors of every number. So no need to write here. Now look, factors, prime factors of 16 and prime factors of 21. We have common factor only 1 in both the number. So we say 16 and 21 both are co-prime numbers.